Let me show you how to connect Google Analytics 4 to Claude using the InsightfulPipe MCP and generate a full SEO performance report. First, go to InsightfulPipe connectors and click Add Connection. Choose Google Analytics 4 from the available platforms. Sign in with your Google account to grant access to your analytics data. Select the property you want, then click Connect. The connection is saved. Now copy the Google Analytics 4 MCP Server URL from the guide page. In Claude, go to Settings, then Connectors, and click Add Custom Connector. Paste the Google Analytics MCP URL and click Add. The Google Analytics connector is now added. Click Connect to authorize it. The connector is now connected to Claude. Now let's use it. Write a prompt asking Claude to pull website performance data from Google Analytics for the last 30 days. The prompt asks for sessions, users, page views, top landing pages, traffic, sources, and engagement metrics. It also asks to analyze organic traffic and generate a structured SEO performance report with recommendations. Claude connects to Google Analytics through InsightfulPipe, loads the tools, runs all the queries in parallel, and starts building the report. Here is the SEO performance report for the InsightfulPipe covering the last 30 days. The overall performance section shows 2,025 total sessions, 747 organic sessions, 58% organic engagement, and an average session duration of 5 minutes. The traffic channels breakdown shows organic search leading with 731 sessions, followed by direct at 567 and organic video at 437. The report highlights key insights like strong organic momentum and top performing pages, along with recommendations to scale MCP connector pages, invest in blog content, and pause paid search campaigns. That's Google Analytics 4 connected to Claude using InsightfulPipe. If you'd like to try more MCP servers for your marketing platforms, visit InsightfulPipe.com today.